Hi! In front of me is on our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Firstly, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Play Store right away. Scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and one of those options, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, you need to tap on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!